Good afternoon everyone, my name is Hiro Pagadwan and I am here to discuss the definition of values and its importance. So let's define first what is values. According to Cambridge, values are the principles that help you decide what is right and wrong and how to act in various situations. On the other hand, the Merriam-Webster defines value or values as something such as principle or quality intrinsically valuable or desirable. In philosophy, you will find various description and definition of value or values depending on philosophical framework or philosophical background, and it gets more complex or more confusing the more we explore. For example, John Dewey and his work Human Nature and Conduct, published in 1922, and his work Value of Valuation, published in 1939, he presented pragmatic interpretation of the definition of value depending on the instrumental and intrinsic value of a thing. Instrumental value is its desirability as a means, while intrinsic value is its desirability as end. And when we ask what is intrinsically good, many answers are given. For hedonist, value is pleasure. For pragmatist, satisfaction, growth, or adjustment. For conscience, a good will. For humanist, harmonious self-actualization or realization. For Christians, the love of God. For pluralists such as Moore, Ross, Scheller, or Perry, values are any number of intrinsically good things. Moore, a founding father of analytic philosophy, developed a theory of organic whole holding that the value of an aggregate of things depends upon how they are combined. Etymologically, value comes from the Latin word valere, which means to be well or to have strength or power. A famous philosophy blog, Ethics Sage, defines values as the basic and fundamental beliefs that guide or motivate attitudes or actions. They help us to determine what is important to us. Values describe the personal qualities we choose to embody, to guide our actions, the sort of person we want to be, the manner in which we treat ourselves and others in our interactions with the world around us. They provide the general guidelines for conduct. Values, in narrow sense, is that which is good, desirable, or worthwhile. Values are the motivate behind purposeful action. Ang values daw sa madaling salita ay yung maganda o mabuti, kaaya-aya at kahali-halina. Ang values din ang nagtutulak sa atin kung gagawin natin o hindi ang isang kilos na pinag-isipan o plinano para sa isang layunin o purpose. Ayon kay Hall, values refers to those which make something desirable, attractive, worthy of approval, admiration which inspires feelings, judgments, or attitudes of esteem, commendation which is useful in view of certain end. According to Deck's Values Education Program framework, values are the basis of judging what attitudes, behaviors are correct, desirable, and what are not. Ang values daw ang ating basihan sa pagtukoy kung anong mga pag-uugali at gawing ang wastong kaakit-akit at kahali-halina at kung ano ang hindi. In other words, values refers to interests, pleasure, likes, duties, moral obligations, desire, wants, goals, needs, aversions and attractions, and many other kinds of selective orientation which serves as criteria of action. So, what is value education? Well, according to the Republic Act 11476 or the GMRC and the Values Education Act, values education refers to the process that provide young people's internalization of values which aims at students' grasp of underlying principles, together with the ability to action those principles and the settled disposition to do so. Ibig sabihin, ang values education ay isang proseso kung saan binibigyan natin ng pagkakataon ang ating mga estudyante na mapagnilayan ang kabutihan ng kanilang pagkatao, ang mga pagpapahalaga na naglalayong ipaunawa sa kanila ang prinsipyong pundasyon na ng mabuting pagkatao at matulungan sila na maisabuhay ang mga pagpapahalaga at prinsipyong natututunan sa values education. So yun lamang po. So ang ating next reporter ay si Precious Dayan Derihe.
Good day everyone, I am Precious Dayan Derihe. So our topic for today is all about social values and social conscience. So first, let's talk about the meaning of values. So, refers to the shared beliefs, norms, and principles within a society that guide how individuals interact with one another and contribute to the common good. So these values are deeply embedded in culture, traditions, and social system. They reflect what a community or society considers important for maintaining harmony, unity, and a healthy social order. So here are some examples of values. So the first one is equality or yung pagkakapantay-pantay. So the belief that all individuals should be treated equally regardless of their background, gender, or status. So sa pagkakapantay-pantay na yun, ang pagpapahalaga sa pantay-pantay na karapatan at pagtrato sa lahat ng tao, ano man ang kanilang lahi, religion, o kalagayan sa buhay. So next is solidarity. So ito yung pagkakaisa. So solidarity, the idea of supporting and standing together with others, especially in times of need or adversity. So sa pagkakaisa, ang pagsuporta at pagtulong sa isa't isa upang malampasan ang mga pagsubok at mapanatili ang pagkakabuklod ng isang komunidad. So the next one is justice or katarungan. So the commitment to fairness and ensuring that rights are care protected for all members or society. So, ang pagpapahalaga sa makatarungan at patas na pagtrato sa lahat ng tao at pagtutok sa paglutas sa mga isyong panlipunan tulad ng diskriminasyon o hindi pagkakapantay-pantay. So the next one is cooperation or kooperasyon. So the willingness to work together for mutual benefit, promoting teamwork and also collaboration. So sa cooperation naman, ito yung pagtutulungan ng mga tao upang makamit ang isang layunin or makapagbigay ng tulong sa mga nangangailangan.